Hello and welcome. My name is Robyn and this is my channel. So I had filmed this video before I left Arizona and I cannot find it anywhere. So I grabbed everything knowing I would have to refilm it once I got to Washington. So I left 115 degree weather in Arizona and we took our RV down to Washington. So I did use this item all the way from Arizona. And what is it? It is the Primevolve folding fan. And this is the different pictures. So this is when it's all folded up. You can put it on the wall, you can put it on your desk, or you can put it on the floor. And we actually had placed it on the floor because it was so hot. And when you go through the mountains, we have to shut the air conditioner off because it puts so much pressure on the air conditioner. It's almost like you have to push up the mountains. So I'm like, I have my fan. So I took the fan out. I'm sorry, a lot of noise in the background. So anyway, I took the fan out and I put it in between our seats and it worked like a charm. I mean, it was still blowing kind of hot air, but it still worked very well. So I will show you the fan. It folds up again like this, so it's easy storage for when we're in the RV. I can take it out on the picnic table. I can even bring it to the pool. It goes everywhere. And then you can just fold it up and it will go on your desktop. Now, because I was in such a rush to leave, I forgot the remote. So there is a remote that you can just turn it on and off, but I can't find it anywhere. And you use a USB to charge it. And then I have it right here. I don't have as much filming room as I used to, but I do have the charger, and you just put this in the charger end, and then you put this right over here so that if you use this like full-time, it will hold the charge for between 5 and 6 hours. If you do a slow, the slow fan, it's maybe 32 hours. So it just depends on how much you use it and how fast you have your fan speed. And then you just loosen this or tighten it and it pulls up, and it will pull up more. So now it's totally out of the picture, but I have it. I will try to show you. So I have it like sitting on the floor. So as I said, it was like the perfect height. And we have the windows open here in the RV, so I don't have the air on, and I'm just so hot. So I don't know, it's got the buttons on the bottom without knocking everything off. It's got all the power buttons on the bottom because I don't have my remote. I just can't believe I did that. Everything has a remote nowadays, so I have to get like a special remote bag. And then, let's see if I can get it. So now it's on one. And there it goes. And then I'll try to get it on two. Oh my God, this feels so good. And then the third power, and then it has a light, but it's so light in here, so you probably don't see. It has like a ring light that goes on. So it is pretty cool. And it's even cooler now that I have this. So I will leave a link below. There's currently $20 off. It retails for $59.99 and you can now get it for $39.99. So I appreciate them. Again, they sent this free for review, and this works like a charm. As I said, we used it the whole trip up here when we had to shut our air conditioning off, and it just sat there in between our two captain chairs, and it oscillates. So I don't know if I emphasize that, but it oscillates, so it just will go back and forth. It's got the 3 speeds. Again, if you're sitting at your desk, your desk at work, you're at home, you're cooking, and it just gets so warm in the kitchen, you can just stick this on there. As I said, I am just hot. I've been doing laundry all day. I've just been, folding clothes, and I've had this on, and I just enjoy this. So I give this like a 5 stars of all the things that I've had to review. I shouldn't say had to review, but have been offered to review. This is one of the better This is one of the better items I have received to review. So subscribe to me. Please hit that subscribe button, tap the bell button so you get notified of all my future videos. A thumbs up. And again, you have to go check out this Primevolve oscillating fan with the remote. So again, you guys have an awesome day.